Hey everyone, welcome back to ACT Math Quick Hits, where you can make this one small change and watch these videos. It doesn't cost you any money, it only costs you a few minutes of your time, and you're going to help improve your math score on the ACT. All right, there is the rundown of the math section of the ACT, and let's get back into it for today. All right, so Michael has a cylinder fish tank shown below that has inside diameter of 18 inches. When you put colored gravel in his fish tank, the water level of the tank rose 2 inches. What is the volume of the gravel in cubic inches? Okay, so what we just need to do is we need volume of a cylinder. So we got to remember what that formula is. Remember, it's just the area of a circle, and then just think about like a bunch of circles stacked on top of it. So our volume of a cylinder is just going to be pi r squared, right? That's the area of the circle, and then times whatever the height is, right? Times however many circles we could stack up on top of it. All right, so once we have the formula, right, we just understand that, okay, our radius, right, is going to be half of that diameter. So our radius is just going to be 9. So we have pi times 9 squared, and then times our height, right? They told us up here that the water level rose 2 inches, so that means there's 2 inches of rock that got put in there. So now it's just a matter of doing a little computation here. 9 squared is going to be 81, and then we multiply that by 2, right? 81 times 2 is going to give us 162. So it's nice they leave it in terms of pi, right? So we don't have to do any fumble around with like those calculations. I don't necessarily need the Desmos graphing calculator here, but you have it if you need it, right? So it's there if you need it. So we got 162 pi, which would be choice C. All right, well, thanks for watching, everyone. I know that this isn't the most exciting stuff out there, and my videos aren't necessarily the most polished, but we're just here to do a little math, learn a little bit about the ACT, and maybe find a Desmos hack that will help us on some of these tougher questions. So I hope you like and subscribe, because your future self will thank you, because you keep getting this practice and you can keep getting better at the math ACT. Thanks, everyone.